Brand new on the market, we've got 3 hole saw kits. The Electrician and Plumber kits each come with 6 hole saws, 9 pieces, while the general purpose has 9 hole saws and 12 pieces. But as always, all of our hole saws offer a deep cut with bimetal teeth, which make cutting a whole ton of fun. Okay, no worries if you want to mute the rest of the audio, I understand. Quick hot tip from our shop experts, use low RPM to lengthen the lifespan of any of your hole saws. But what about the case? Well, if you love carrying your hole saws around the office like our boy Jeremy here, you'll love it. It's even better at project sites though. It's got a durable, easy carry handle with easy access pouches inside, all with a secure zipper for your kit. But what you may love most is that you'll save up to 28% on the hole saws with each of these kits. And if your hole saw ever wears out, you can bring it back to any of our retailers and get credit towards any of our products in the exchange program. So whether you're making a professional cut in a sink or just love circles, we've got the hole saw kit for you.